back to my channel. So today I am sharing this unboxing video for the first time. This is my Mamaearth onion shampoo. I had already reviewed this Mamaearth onion shampoo on my previous video. You can check it out. I had given the link in the description box. After using this Mamaearth onion shampoo and Mamaearth onion oil, I become very confident about this brand. With this belief only, I thought of trying more products of Mamaearth. In the upcoming video, I will review all those products that I purchased and I am using. By getting their result, I will be review those products soon. So this is the parcel. Now I am going to unbox this parcel. So let's begin. First of all, I am going to open the seal. See how beautifully they are packed. You can see the large bubble wrap in them. This shampoo are amazing. You should also try this product. This is my third bottle. Since I am using the Mamaearth onion oil and shampoo for the last 3 months. Mamaearth products are sulfate free, paraben free, SLS free and free from harmful chemical. And also a plastic positive brand. I will share the purchase link in the description box. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new updates. Till then, bye bye.